Have you ever told yourself that you are going to work on a specific task today, but because you never picked an exact time, you ended up procrastinating all day? That happens because a task without a scheduled time is just an intention. On the other hand, when you have a reserved time block for that task, your chances of actually completing it skyrocket. By the end of this video, you will know the exact techniques and actionable steps needed to time block your major goals. Why time blocking works? Time blocking is one of the single best ways to stay productive. You have probably heard about time blocking, but understanding why it works makes all the difference. When you decide in advance that you're starting a specific task at 9 am and finishing it by 11 am, your brain clearly understands the working window. It eliminates the decision fatigue. You don't waste energy asking when should I start because the schedule is already decided it for you. Time blocking prevents hours of procrastination because you don't wait for the perfect moment to start. And even if you don't complete the task 100%, getting 80% of the work done is still a massive win compared to a day spent procrastinating and doing nothing at all. Before I built this habit of time blocking, I used to study for maximum 2 to 2.5 hours on a day. Once I built this habit, my average study hours increased from 2 to 4. Even on my worst days, I still end up studying at least 3 hours. I know that might not sound like a huge number to a lot of the people, but for me, it was real progress. On the long run, these small wins compound into massive results. The 3-step time blocking tutorial. Step number 1, pick your core focus areas. Select the one or two main areas that matter the most to you right now or where you want to improve. The fewer things you select, the higher are your chances of actually sticking to the routine. If you're just starting out, stick out to maximum 2 things. Here's an example. I time blocked only my study hours and my gym sessions. Step 2. Set realistic target hours. Decide exactly how many hours you're giving to those tasks daily or weekly. The key here is to avoid picking the numbers that sound great on paper but are completely unrealistic for your actual life. If you're starting from zero, keep your hours low. If you're already working, set an optimal reachable target. Here's an example. I time block 5 to 6 hours for my studies. Even when I study for only 4 to 4.5 hours, that's still not failure. That's still about 80% of the work done. Step 3. Align tasks with your energy windows. Find the right time window during your day where you can actually fit those hours based on your energy. Match your hardest tasks to your peak energy time. Here's an example. I know that my energy drop around 2 p.m., so I never time block my hard study sessions around that time. I am also an early bird, so I time block my major study portion before 12 p.m. I also keep a 1 to 1.5 hour short block for the later part of the day just in case I need to cover anything up. Apply these 3 steps and you will instantly feel more control over your day. I am Anzar and I'm working to become the best version of myself. If you are on the same path, hit subscribe so we can build these habits together. And hopefully, I'll see you in my next video.